Hey, how you holding up? So, have you ever glanced at your, credit card statement only to find a mysterious charge staring back at you? So today we're going to be discussing about the mystery behind, such enigmatic entry, which whereby you see a charge from Challenge Body Mind Henhem, and you're seeing some figures in front of it or some number, and they are telling you that, you got charged for $12.49, or it can be any kind of charges, but the one that I was able to experience was $12.49. And it kind of got me worried, like, what is wrong? Where did this come from? But I've gone ahead, make more research, done some stuff, and this was what happened and how we've been able to solve these kind of charges. Today, by the time you're done with this video, you'll be able to know the mystery behind all those charges, and also some reasons and solutions that you can adopt for you to be able to solve this easily. Now, navigating the complexities of, credit card statements can be daunting, and, especially when faced with unfamiliar charges like Challenge Body Mind, 855-460-4451 Henhem, or it can be any kind of number that you see in yours. But you don't have to fear, because we are about to shed light on this intriguing puzzle. All right, now talking about Challenge Body Mind, in case you wonder what this brand is about, then they are focused on digital well-being, okay, in the vast sea of online offerings. So this company is dedicated to enhancing physical health and mental well-being through expertly curated digital courses, okay, so which is personalized to diet plans, and they also tailored exercise routines. Okay, so they are mostly tailored to digital well-being. So in case maybe you subscribed to their plan before and you did not know, Challenge Body Mind is a legitimate platform, okay, but however, there are just some things that we've not been able to realize about them. Now let us decode this critic charge on your statement. Now the first thing you need to know is that the $12.49 monthly fee, it's a grant to access the Challenge Body Mind full suite for services, okay, while the 1-day free trial allows a glimpse of into their world of wellness and commitment. So in case you got charged, it's possible that maybe you have already subscribed to their plan before, and now you're getting charged recurring subscription. All right, not all days are rosy, okay, so many customers have already voiced their grievances, and they have been citing that these unauthorized charges are they are so crazy. So sometimes it happens from time to time, okay, even I myself, I was wondering about this. But however, there are some things that we are going to be talking about for you to be able to solve this issue, okay? Now, the first thing you want to do in this kind of situation is you might want to reach out to Challenge Body Mind, okay? And you can dispute charges with your bank, all right? And you can also keep your vigilance high on your account. So the first one is reaching out to Challenge Body Mind. Go to the website and report this kind of issue, okay, report to them, let them know exactly that you got charged and you never knew. So possibly they might be able to explain exactly what actually happened to you, all right? And in case maybe they are unable to solve it through that method, then you can go ahead and report to your bank or your credit card issuer, okay? So possibly your credit card issuer will be able to render you a solution to this kind of error, okay, or to this kind of mistake, all right? And you might have the chance of getting back your money. All right, so that is another solution that I know about. And another one is keeping a vigilance high on your account. A lot of people are always too complacent enough. They are always relaxed. They don't check their credit card statement. It is always important that you check your credit card statement, your bank statement, check it regularly, like monthly. At the moment it's been sent to you, always make sure that you cross check and see the stuff that you've spent your money on, and go ahead and always make sure that you opt out from some subscriptions or from some payment you've made online, because most of the time these platforms, they record your card details, and at the end you'll get to realize that after recording your card details, you are getting charged every month, okay? So something like this it happens all the time. So charges from Challenge Body Mind is legitimate, okay, they are legitimate, but the only thing is just that you should make sure that you check your account, okay? And after checking your account, in case you see this out, please go ahead and make sure that you cancel all kind of subscriptions, okay? All right, so the moment you cancel all subscriptions, this way you're safe. And whenever you're having conversation with Challenge Body Mind, either on phone call or maybe you've gone ahead to have an email chat with them, make sure that you save your your interactions, okay, your communications with them, because this can help you out whenever you are maybe in case they're not able to provide a solution to your problem. You can always forward this to your bank or your credit card issuer, so this helps them to know exactly what is going on, and this can help you out in in the long run, okay? Also, in a lot of cases, it is always advisable that you use a virtual card, okay? Because someone like me, I don't use my credit cards to make payments, for online subscriptions, okay? I really don't use my credit card for that. I prefer to use it on some, platforms that I know that they are, they are kind of legitimate enough, and this platform is not like maybe they will auto charge me, okay? Or maybe my details are not really safe. So, but platforms like, Challenge Body Mind, you might not really be safe because a lot of websites are out there that they are not really that secure. When it comes to their security, is not really that concrete, and a lot of fraudsters and hackers do go there to scrape data of credit cards. So that is why a lot of people will see or unauthorized charges on their credit card, and they wonder exactly where it comes from. It is from website that you are not really certain about and you've made purchase from. So whenever you are making a purchase from a website, it's always better that you use virtual card. Okay, always make sure you use a virtual card or maybe a PayPal card to do that. Okay, so don't use your credit cards just like that, except if it's a platform that maybe you are very well certain about, okay, or the security, you can see the security is concrete. Okay, although on website like Challenge Body Mind, they have a secured website, but this is just from an expert level, okay, and me advising you that you should also be careful, because even platforms like Challenge Body Mind, their security might not be that concrete, but the only issue they have is auto subscribing people. So I do not really like that. Okay, so possibly you can also get your refund back. You can easily just message them and drop a dispute in the inquiry box, and that way you'll be able to get back your money. I can guarantee you that. All right, you'll be able to get back your money. Just message them, and if you're not, you can message your credit card issuer, and they're gonna do that. But whenever you are using some other kind of platform, especially platforms that that the website is not secure, don't just go ahead and drop your details there, because most of the time you get your card details being scrapped on the internet, and you got charged. All right, so you need to be very careful in that aspect. All right, so in conclusion, the journey to deciphering credit card charges may seem daunting, okay, but armed with awareness and action, and even with everything, we still emerge victorious. All right, so remember that your financial well-being is in your hand. All right, and make sure that you stay vigilant, stay informed, and your credit card statement holds no mystery. All right, so thank you very much for joining me in this journey, okay, in this video. And make sure that you also drop your thoughts in the comment box. So maybe you've experienced any kind of charges like this before, and there's something that you've done and it's worked for you. You can drop it in the comment box. I'm certain that a lot of people will be able to learn from you, and it can help other people who might possibly be encountering same problem. Okay, so thank you very much. This is what I have for you in today's video tutorial. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always make sure that you keep your record safe. Okay, make sure that you keep your information, make sure they are safe. Don't share your information anyhow. And also, when you're conversing with Challenge Body Mind, make sure that you always remember that you should keep data, like have everything recorded, so that you can have proof to back up. All right, and if there's any other thing that you need, then maybe you can contact you can contact Legal Advice. They can also help you on the best thing that you should do. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos around credit cards just like this. And I wish you the best of luck in everything you do. Take care.